Top of the hour, let's get you a shocking visuals that are coming in from Hoshiarpur, where Punjab BJP chief Ashwani Sharma's vehicle allegedly was attacked by some protesting farmers at the Cholang Toll Plaza. Now, the attack took place when the leader was going back to Pathankot from Jalandhar, and when his vehicle reached the Cholang Toll Plaza near Tanda, a group of protesting farmers shouted slogans and threw punches at the car's window panes. Those visuals there, as you can see, those window panes of the car that has been smashed, and Ashwani Sharma has claimed that baseball bats and stones were used to damage his vehicle and to attack him.
जिथे भी धरना लगता उत्थे पुलिस का इंतजाम रहता है। उस धरने के अंदर कोई पुलिस का बंदा नहीं सी। मानो रात को 10 लोग बंदे आ 20 लोग बंदे आ उन्होंने सुरक्षा लिए पाए बैठे थे। वो तो कोई बंदा नहीं है। ये तो गनमैन सी नाल कि ये तरीके नाल निकल के आ गए आपां। लेकिन यह जिहड़ा मामला है बड़ा गंभीर है और किसान वीरां नाल अपना पूरी हमदर्दी है। उन्होंने कोई नहीं है। मैं उन्होंने भी कहना कि इन्होंने शरारती लोगों को बचो। ये तुहानू और पंजाब दे अमन नू भंग करने वाले लोग पंजाब ने जिहड़ा ये कारण हरकत की है ये नहीं करनी चाहिए। अपनी अपनी गल लोकतंत्र च कहनी चाहिए। कौन लोग? अरे मुझे क्या पता ये
तुसी किस नजरिए नाल लेंदे हो इस हमले नू?
मैं तो ये पंजाब के अमन और शांति को भंग करने के लिए और किसानों को बदनाम करने के लिए किया गया हमला है।
Well, Amandeep is with us to get us more details on this incident, because when did it happen, Amandeep? And suddenly out of the blue, as the BJP leader has been claiming that they were protesting farmers, who is now alleging that they attacked him and his vehicle. What is the situation as of now?
Yes, exactly, Krishwin. The point is the BJP leader, when he was returning back from Jalandhar to Pathankot after holding the public meeting. So this attack happened at the toll plaza where the farmers were protesting. And in fact, BJP leader said, it was clearly said in his voice record that they were not the farmers who attacked him. There must be some kind of political conspiracy behind this to defame the farmers and to attack the BJP. It is a clear-cut statement from the side of BJP president. And in fact, it was the first time happened that such kind of attack on a politician on the roadside. And this is a very dangerous. In fact, Captain Amrinder Singh also ordered a very strict action against the attackers. And in fact, even yesterday evening, he also directed DGP to take strict action and identify the people who are involved into this attack. And he also dumped the political statement of BJP leader. He said not at all, the machinery is not at all involved in this attack, neither the Congress nor any other party. These are the farmers' anger, but the BJP is alleging that farmers cannot do this. This is some political conspiracy to defame the farmers against the BJP.
That has been politicized now, such incident taking place against a BJP leader there, and that to the BJP president of the Punjab unit, where an inquiry has been initiated on part of the Congress government there in the state. Thanks very much, Amandeep, for joining us. We move on.